This iconic soup was mass marketed by Campbell's Soup, painted by John Lewis Kimmel in 1811. An Andy Warhol painting of a can of pepperpot soup was sold for a whopping $11 million US. But you don't need a history lesson to appreciate the flavor profile of this delicious meal. Just try it for yourself. Let's get into it. This, my friends, is my little secret to a good pepperpot soup. This will leave all y'all's bowls really empty and asking for more. Are you ready? First, we have to mise en place, or prep all our veggies and bacon before final assembly. We want to cut our starches about 1/4 inch thick so that they cook quickly once we get everything to the pot. To quickly dice all of our callaloo and seasonings, I'm going to throw them all into the food processor to save time. To twist things up, try using collard green, kale, or even pak choy for this soup. They all taste great and lend a different flavor and experience every time. As small gatherings are trending now, you're gonna have a fair amount of leftover ham, which I have right here, and we're just gonna go show you how to assemble this soup very quickly and achieve the iconic pepperpot soup in a no-fail manner. All I did was trim off the excess meat from my ham bone, and voila, the makings of a great feast. Start by frying your bacon bits. Then add the soup bone to the bacon. Now let's assemble our soup. Add the potatoes, orzo pasta if you are using that, okra, spices and seasonings, and add water. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome stuff like this. And remember to leave a comment below and engage with me. Let me know what you think, all right? If you want to learn how to make a delicious ham, check out this video or try my recipe for delicious ham and callaloo quiche with a crust made from potatoes. Finish the soup by adding the remaining ingredients, coconut milk with cornstarch, and let it simmer for about another 30 minutes until you get a nice velvety soup. Look at that ham bone. Give it a good stir, loosen up some of that callaloo. No, this is seriously fun. Wow, we have here a beautiful bowl of heaven. Now let's sprinkle a little angel all over our soup by garnishing some coconut cream. Just a little bit of that. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, excitement. And then I'm just gonna put some edible flowers. Oh, look at that. Just to jazz up a little bit. If you're having a date night or anything, you just want to have more jazz in your life, more heaven, do this and dig in, which I'm about to do. Let's get some of this ham right here. I see it, it's peeking out at me. Ready? I don't think you're ready. Okay, ready. The velvetiness of the okras jump at me immediately. Nice and salty. Guys, this is pepperpot soup. It's so rich, and you get your greens. You know, it's good for health and everything. Want more scotch bonnet, more pepper for me. It's just perfect for a rainy day. Perfect for December evening or afternoon because it gets very chilly here in Jamaica in December. This is a success again, and if you want to see more successful content here, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. And that is a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.